Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Unlock a world of vibrant flavors and incredible health benefits by embracing plant-based cooking. You'll quickly discover how simple it is to whip up meals that are both delicious and incredibly satisfying for your palate. Eating more plants genuinely boosts your energy and contributes to a healthier you, all while being a fantastic choice for our planet. Get ready to transform your kitchen and feel amazing. Building a plant-based kitchen starts with a smart pantry. Focus on versatile staples that form the backbone of many meals. Stock up on things like canned beans, dried lentils, quinoa, brown rice, and a good array of spices. Having these essentials ready will make preparing quick, healthy, and delicious plant-based meals incredibly simple, saving you time and effort. Making plant-based meals truly irresistible is all about mastering flavor and texture. Think about layering different tastes, like the savory depth of umami from mushrooms or a sprinkle of nutritional yeast. Don't shy away from fresh herbs and bold spices to brighten every bite. And remember, texture is key. Add satisfying crunch with roasted nuts or a delightful creaminess with a ripe avocado. Getting started with plant-based cooking is easy when you have simple structures. Think about building vibrant Buddha bowls. Just combine your favorite grain, add some roasted vegetables, and drizzle with a flavorful dressing. Stir-fries are perfect for quick weeknight dinners, allowing you to use whatever veggies you have. Plant-based tacos or hearty lentil stews also offer endless, delicious possibilities. Your plant-based cooking journey is an exciting one, full of delicious discoveries. Start small, perhaps by incorporating just one new plant-based meal into your week. Don't be afraid to experiment with different vegetables, explore new spices, and try various cooking methods. Most importantly, enjoy the delicious process of creating meals that nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.